Hi, this video aims to give you an explanation about how SimSched organize their files after you import and run the optimization scenarios. The first file that you're going to have is obviously a CSV file, and by then you import it by clicking here, right? And after setting up the block size and coordinates and matching each field with each column of your block model, SimSched will generate an SSMod file, which is nothing more than the same file but in a different way in order to make it readable by SimSched. Automatically after you set up after you import your model in SimSched, it's going to request you to create a scenario file, and then by default it's going to call scenario 1, and after you set up the name and you finish the importation, it's going to create this file SSSCN, which is the scenario file. So this scenario file means all the parameters that you're going to specify, and so on. So here you specify another scenario, and then you say it's going to say saved as a different name. And the same applies for all the others. So this is very simple, right? So all the scenarios that you create is going to create a new folder, and all the data related to this scenario is going to be inside each scenario. So here you're going to have all the surface for each period, topography, report, and the block model. So this is all the files the SimSched creates. So basically, when you're going to pass this information for other person in order to allow them to run, for example, scenario 6 in this situation, you should transfer to them at least these two plus the desired folder that you want them to see and modify something. And for example, if you want to base on scenario 5, you just send them all these 3 files at least. And finally, we have also this project folder, but this is created by SJames. So what means this PRJ folder? When you after you run the optimization, SimSched creates and plots the block model on SJames. So when you save the project, like going here, it's going to save the model display here on SJames, and it's going to be saved as project, not project, right? You can put up whatever name you want, but PRJ folder .prj. So that's it, and hope to see you again.